Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about measurement in units. First, let me introduce about physical quantity. A physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. The SI units are the standard units used worldwide. Prefixes are added to a SI or metric unit to form smaller or larger units. This table shows the commonly used physical quantities and their SI units and symbols. This table shows the commonly used prefixes and their symbols. The first physical quantity we learn today is length. Length is a measure of distance between 2 points. The SI unit for length is the meter. To measure the length of common objects, we can use measuring tape or ruler. Their accuracy is up to 0.1 centimeters, or 1 millimeter. Please take note that, for accurate measurements, the eye must be placed vertically above the mark being read. We can also use Vernier caliper to measure length. Its accuracy is up to 0.01 centimeters, or 0.1 millimeters. Example uses of Vernier caliper are: measure internal diameter, external diameter, and depth of container. Internal and external caliper have accuracy up to 0.1 centimeters, or 1 millimeter. Next, we discuss about measurement error. There are two types of measurement error: random error and systematic error. Random error cannot be accurately determined, but it can be overcome by taking numerous readings and averaging them. In contrast, systematic error is a constant error, and we can accurately determine and overcome systematic error. Let's take a look at two commonly encountered measurement errors: parallax error and zero error. Parallax error is a random error. Parallax error is caused by the wrong positioning of the observer's eye when taking a reading. Here are 4 steps to minimize parallax error. 1. Correct positioning of eye to scale. The eye must be placed vertically above the mark being read. 2. Placing the ruler on its edge beside the object to be measured, so that the scale is touching it. 3. Using a thin ruler so that the scale is touching the object to be measured. 4. Taking the average of numerous readings. Zero error is a systematic error. Zero error occurs when the start scale of measurement is not at 0. There are 2 types: positive zero error and negative zero error. For both types, the actual reading or corrected reading is equal to the observed reading minus the zero error. Let's take a look at 2 examples. In this example, the ruler's edge has been chipped. Positive zero error has occurred. In this example, the ruler's zero mark has faded away, and the edge has been used as the start point. Negative zero error has occurred. Next, let's take a look at a digital Vernier caliper and see how to use it to measure the external diameter, internal diameter, and the depth of a test tube. First, power the caliper on by pressing the on button. Then, select the unit system needed by pressing the mm-inch conversion button. Next, apply normal pressure on slider to close the measuring faces of the outside jaws. Finally, calibrate the caliper by pressing the 0 button. To measure the external diameter of the test tube, we use the outside jaws. To measure the internal diameter of the test tube, we use the inside jaws. To measure the depth of the test tube, we use the tail end. Here are some precautions when using Vernier calipers. Before taking measurement, check if there is zero error. Wipe surface of jaws clean before and after taking measurement. While measuring, do not over-tighten or cut into surface of objects being measured.